Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I had no idea that we needed smart light bulbs, but now that we have them in our two lamps here, I completely understand why we needed them. These are the GE Cync Smart LED light bulbs, and I really love these. So they're just regular light bulbs. They just go in just like a regular light bulb, but what they do is they are able to sync with the GE app, which then can actually communicate with your smart device, communicate with your Alexa or your Google Home. So we have a Google Home. I'm trying not to set it off, so I'm speaking quietly, but it's really cool because we are able to use that to turn on the lights, which again, I didn't realize I needed that until I had it, and it has really come in handy when you're across the house and you wanna either turn on or turn off your lights. These are our dining room lights, and we're able to just go ahead and do that with voice command.
Okay, Google, change light to blue. Okay, Google, turn off lights.
All right, turning off 2 lights.
They also are able to brighten and dim with a voice command, and they can change color. So I have them here for orange right now, but we're able to change the colors, which is super fun. Really quick and easy way to totally change the mood in the room. So I really love these smart light bulbs. I think they're a lot of fun. I definitely want to get more for other parts of the house. They synced really well with our smart device, our Google Home system, and they just add a lot of fun and just a lot of character to our dining area. So definitely check out these smart bulbs. You might be surprised. Maybe you already know that you need them, but if you didn't think you did, I think you probably do. But that's just my point of view.